How to fix bathroom sink drain lever. All right, so the first step is to identify the problem. So try the lever itself. If the stopper doesn't move, the linkage under the sink is slightly loose or disconnected. So this is your lever and stopper here. So just simply try it, and if it doesn't work, the sink is likely loose or disconnected. And then you can now proceed to look under the sink. Just simply look under your sink and place a bucket under the sink and locate a horizontal rod connected to the drain pipe. Once you have located the horizontal rod, being the pivot rod here, you could then simply tighten the pivot knot itself by checking the pivot knot on the drain pipe. If it's loose, tighten it gently. And then once you've done that, you can now reconnect the linkage rod itself. So if the rod is disconnected, reattach it to the vertical lift rod using the clip. And then once you're done there, you can now adjust the rod position. So adjust the height so the stopper opens and closes properly. And then you could also test the lever once more by simply moving the lever again to check if the stopper opens and closes smoothly. This is your lever, so you could just simply test it out to see if this opens or closes. All right.